All right. What's happening? How was the... Actually, we had a short position on NQ. Finally, I mean, it got down to that 750. But what about now? Y2K Trades, hello there. Gold is going back down. I want to make a new low. Gotta wait and see. I feel like NQ is still bullish. I definitely feel like it. That's where we're gonna go. Take out some of those levels up there. Who knows? Mirovsky, hello there. What's up? Brother from another mother. Hello. I am Thaltron. Hello. Did you know that with 3 silver micro you can blow your account? Yes. I knew it, but I'm not trading with that. No way. Oh, you changed the screen, right? Oh, it's Kelly. Oh, all right. All right, it's Kelly. All right. What's up, Kelly? Good to see you. I don't know why YouTube actually disabled the custom handles. I don't know why, but because that changed too. Good morning. Okay, NQ is slowly grinding higher. Not much to do with that for now. It's actually Chris Jericho. All right, Chris Jericho. That's a cool name. Hey, you know, the name Chris Jericho kind of hits me like a Hollywood name, like stay tuned for next summer, starring Chris Jericho playing, you know, or stay tuned for Commando 2, starring Chris Jericho. Something like that. Hey, Merit, what's up? It blew up like more than 20 MyFundedFutures kicking. Oh no! Oh my gosh, Mirovsky, come on. Oh, I do get some commissions. I don't see the names who is using my code. I don't see the names, but Mirovsky, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I mean, take it slow, you know, step by step, Mirovsky, step by step. And thank you so much, by the way, for using my code. I don't see, I never see a name who's using my code, but first of all, thank you. I mean, second of all, thank you. First of all, please, you know, small steps, baby steps. You will get there. You will get there. Famous wrestler from... Oh, really? From World Wrestling? Oh, okay. Trader Muchka. Hey, is that Martin Muchka? Coffee ready? Well, I do have some tea. I have some tea here. Because copy trade is devil. Oh, it is. It is. Ollie, hello there. You stay in a trade. I mean, the London trade actually worked out. We hit the 750 on that one. I mean, it was the only trade, but at least we hit the 750. Change the deck. All right. Trader Muchka. I like it. Cool. I think you broke the small trend line. Yeah. Seems like there could be a shift here on NQ. Question is how far. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, we have all this liquidity here to the left. Relative equal highs up, I mean, above 26k. Can we get there? I believe we can. Maybe not today, but hey, I would stay bullish on NQ for now. Chris, I always use your code because some of the third world countries need to stick together. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man, for helping out the channel, the stream, helping me pay the tax and repair the BMW. No, thank you. Matt Kowar don't really need another. I cannot speak on behalf of Matt, but I'm guessing he's making some good money on trading, that's for sure. Search Chris Jericho. He's kind of a badass. Okay. Yeah, there's a band called Fozzy. Oh, Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho. Let's search for him. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Chris, is that you? Let me know. Let me know if this is you. Just to make sure. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I was at the barber shop. Okay. Maybe we have the real Chris Jericho here, I guess. With some gold limit. Don't worry about gold. Actually, I was offside as well. I thought that this is gonna go higher. I didn't take the trade, but his ring name was Y2K. Ah, maybe this is the real Chris Jericho. Are you the real Chris Jericho? Who knows? Y2J. You're Y2K. Okay. Yeah, that's true. He was Y2J. Oh, yeah, he was Y2J. All right. Smash the like. Hey, thank you so much. Smash that like. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's go back to NQ. Man, it's just... feels like there's just no target here. I mean, this is the 15-minute chart. No fair value gap or whatsoever. Nothing. The only level of liquidity, and I'm not saying that's the target, but the only level of liquidity here is that 5-minute CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there. That's the only thing. And it lines up. Okay, that's a 5 and the 15-minute. 5/50. Oh. 5/15-minute CB. Right up there. Maybe that could be the target. I'm actually eager to jump in to a position. I might gonna do that. How about that? Should I do it or should I not? All right, jumped into a small trade. And we'll see how it goes. A very small trade. I'm targeting 802. That would be good for me. 802. Actually, this is on a funded account, by the way. Sell limit. I'm gonna put a sell stop here. All right. So we're in it to win it. Who knows? This is gold on the left. Okay, so we could be having some resistance here. That's normal. If it pulls back, it's still good. Obviously, if it goes down to my stop, it will reprice that fair value gap lower. So why hold it then, right? My first and last name begin with K. I remember Y2K. Oh, the Y2K crisis. Daily day trade, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Hello. Yeah, the news. The problem is the news. The problem is the news, which is gonna be not too far from here. Right here, ADP non-farm payroll. I thought that, you know, because it's not far. Look at that. It's only 24 points from here, and we still have almost an hour. That's why I jumped in. If it's not gonna go in our way, I'm just gonna close it manually. That's what I'm gonna do. The problem is the news, or as our prime minister would say, the problem is the war.
No. The problem is the war.
This is our prime minister, by the way. Just saying.
No. The problem is the war.
One more time.
No. The problem is the war.
This is our prime minister. All right, one more time.
No. The problem is the war.
All right. You're targeting 900. That's actually a good target. We just talked about it. We should be getting above 26k. Should be getting above 26k. So many people beefing right now. You even got Thailand and Cambodia fighting. Oh no. No, Ollie, come on, what is happening? Farhad, hello, welcome Farhad. How's it going? Tom wishing Shinnok would appear on his balcony. Yeah. So yeah, Thailand and Cambodia. Is that's like a long fight now, right? I mean, they've been having some beef since a while. Oh, now they're shooting missiles. Oh no. Oh no. They're shooting missiles. That's not good. All right, anyway, let's see. What is going on gold? Not much. Not much is happening with gold. Yeah, we had a nice little pullback here on NQ. And yeah, this was just enough. And then here's the push. So again, the plan is, and because we're having the news in about 58 minutes or so, that if it's not gonna go there, and hopefully it will stay in the green, we will close it before the news. That's the plan. Yeah, Ahmed, you got a Twitter or a group we can share photos or setup which you can see currently? Yeah, I will be sharing trade setups on my Discord, and yeah, we are already upgrading. I mean, those who are in the Discord don't see it, but in the background there are some upgrades already happening. So that's possible in the Discord. If some of you would like to have the Discord link, I can actually share it. Hold on. Invite to channel. Invite to channel. Edit invite link. Okay, good morning there. Hello DS, what's up? So yeah, I mean, some members already sharing some real good stuff on Discord. I will be adding some stuff as well. So if you guys are interested, here's a Discord invitation link. So far not much is happening there, but there will be some more content on Discord. That is billion% because we're already working on it. So yeah, good morning, 44th X Punisher. Hello there. How's it going? So we can share, or you guys can share some charts if you would like to, and I will be more active there as well. Gaborello. Oh, stream countdown. I don't know. I thought so. I actually noticed this too, Gabor. Like, if you're just watching the YouTube stream, it's not starting automatically. You have to refresh the page. I don't know why. Terry Trades is here. Have no fear. Terry is here. Hey, how's it going? Hello, Terry. I'm training currently on NinjaTrader. I use Quantower too. I like Quantower. But currently, because TRADEDAY and TRADEIFY, I can only trade with the TRADERWeight. I mean, which I don't trade. So the only solution for me to being able to connect to multiple platforms is through NinjaTrader. And now I had to switch back partially to NinjaTrader. Yes. Yes. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's going all right. Going to do my oh yeah, okay. Guys, everybody, this is the time. This is the time to focus on the trades. Terry, she's doing her hair, curling her hair, or who knows. But the thing is, this is the magical moment. This is the magical couple of minutes when the magic happens. Y2K says, I use Ninja with Replicant. I use that too. I use Replicant too, yeah. The magic hour. Exactly, Terry. Riz, hello. I was trading with TPT and TRADEIFY. TPT might have just took themselves off of my good pro. Oh no. I'm using so my top is I mean to be honest with you guys, I think Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures are on the top, but let me just say this, there are some real good prop firms. Last year, more than a third of my payout from trading came from Bulenox. That being said, I do like Funded Futures Network, Bulenox, Lucid is coming up super strong, but I must say, for example, just to circle back to MyFundedFutures, MyFundedFutures core account with the Flex add-on, so you can potentially have more payouts. I think that is just a killer if you really think about it. I mean, that is one of the most competing prop firm accounts out there. Lucid Trading also extremely competing because there is no monthly payments. So I would say right now, Lucid Trading might be the most competitive with everyone. But that being said, MyFundedFutures core account is extremely good value. So $77 with the Flex add-on, no activation fee, super great, super awesome. Imagine if you have 2 or 3 core accounts, right? But the thing is, I have no issue with the Take Profit Trader accounts yet. I got quite some good payouts last year with Take Profit Trader. But yeah, I mean, and nowadays I'm buying the TRADEIFY accounts as well, so I can connect through Ninja Trader. Makes it easier to manage everything on one screen. Well, you know, it depends. You expect to close that trade soon? Yes. I would like to close this trade before the news. If it's gonna go sideways, I think I'm gonna close it a couple of minutes before the news. But I thought that we should be reaching that 800. You know, that would be, I mean, because it's not far, it's 20 points and we have plenty of time. You know, TPT told me I withdrew too much and forfeited all my, what? That's crazy, Rizzy. What happened? How is that possible? You withdrew too much? That is, wow. How is that even possible? Is that maybe because you were having too much, I mean, you were having multiple simulated pro funded accounts like the pro accounts, and you started to withdraw money, and then, I don't know. I mean, that's a very silly thing from them to do. I will trade with core 50k. That is it. No consistency. Yeah, exactly. End of day, you know, yeah. No daily loss limit. Basically, you get all the goodies on the core account if you really think about it. But the Lucid Trading account also, like no activation fee, end of day trading. That is extremely good. That's yeah. This is why it's shocking to me, Rizzy. Like, they just did that to you just like that. Like, I don't get it. I mean, why would they, or what's their motivation to do that? That's so crazy. Yeah, it's oh yeah, so there's gonna be tier 1 news. I know. I'm gonna close the trade before the news. I thought so too, just like Ollie's saying, Rizzy. I thought that they supposed to kick you to a live account. If somebody is a good trader and withdraws money constantly, They should be pushing that person to a live account. News from Venezuela. What's happening? No trade stocks. What's the news? What is the news? Why is it not loading up? Okay. Let's just CPI. All right, not much. Well, it's definitely pushing so far higher, but by the way, until we're waiting, let's all please smash the like button and let's ask for the YouTube gods and algorithm to notice the stream. Thank you so much for doing it. Smash that like, please. And let's show this to YouTube. Let's show that we're here. Let's help to grow the community. It's free to do. We like the likes. All right, less than 1 minute to go until the new 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute candle starts. Gonna be interesting to see. There's still no pullback on NQ. And the trade goes down just like that. Not really that I was expecting. Now, the thing is, I just can't let it go lower. I mean, maybe I could put my stop loss a little bit lower, but I can't, because if it goes down here, it's going to reprice that level. It's going to reprice this fair value gap down there. Unfortunate, man. I think it's gonna go down. Yes, it's gonna go down. You know why? This is why. Why didn't I see it? I might have to close it. I think I have to close it. 752. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm closing it. Closing the trade. Closed it down. I totally forgot this one. Anyway, small loss. Closed it down. I forgot that we have demand zone lower. And we have this fair value gap. I don't like it. Should have waited. Okay. Anyway, I closed it. Doesn't matter. Yeah, possible sell side there at 52.25. Oh, really? Oh, how was that possible? Well, anyway, I closed it. I haven't really, oh, I did not notice that. Wow, thank you for, next time I'm gonna check it, double check it actually. Levy Trades, hello. Made 1500 for the 50% for my account. Now I can't, oh, you already made the 50. Well, that's good. That is extremely good, man. That is extremely good. All right, it's going down. Hey Yazan, hello. No, I closed it. I just closed it recently manually. Actually, I closed it somewhere here. I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Because I was stupid. I was actually stupid for not noticing that there was a. I'm gonna show you what I did not see. If I would have seen it, I would have acted up differently. So the thing is, where's the rectangle tool? Come on, there we go. So there is a zone here. I totally forget it. There's a zone. And where is it? Ray, okay. So here's the thing. We're not just having a fair value gap here, but we're having a demand zone. And as soon as I saw that this is shifting structure here, like I was okay, this is going down, and I closed it manually. Anyway, trade mindset, hello. Good morning. No, we're not full porting. No full porting. Back down from weave up. All right. Yeah. It should be breaking that. What's the level? 48, I think. Opening up this candle, 48.25. I think it should be picking up liquidity from that zone. How could I not see that? I don't know. This year is starting slow for me. Very slow. I know. The whole thing looks crazy here. I know, Levy, I know. This whole thing is... But nevertheless, I think we should go down to that 48 now. 48 level. I need to reconnect here. Hold on. Connections. Disconnect. Reconnect. Okay. I did that. Okay. Seems to me it's working. And that level would be, what would that level be? That would be yeah, 48.25, right? Something like that. We'll see. Anyway, it is what it is. Well, all is good. Trading is a little bit slow, I must say. And games wise, I just don't have time to play. Or when I do have time to play, I get so tired. I love Arc Raiders, by the way. And I restarted to play with Tarkov, Escape from Tarkov. And I do like Arc Raiders very much. So, but I'm going to buy an old game which has been refurbished. It's called Commandos. So yeah, Commandos Origin, I think that's the name of it. It's a strategy game ish. So yeah. Let's see. Is it going down to 52? Maybe not. Kind of wondering if it does. Arc Raiders is, yeah, I like Arc Raiders. Hey, Mark, hello. Yeah, me too. Commandos was so great. It's hardcore, Levy. It's super hardcore. It's very, very hardcore. It can actually, you know, turn you into a nerve wreck. Everybody who plays Tarkov, I mean, most of the players are super hardcore players. And, you know, you just go out to the field, to the map, and you're just getting shot from the other side of the map. And that's it. One shot, boom, you're done. So very, very hardcore. You're gonna die a billion times. I mean, oh yeah, childhood memories. Oh yeah. Check out the new version. It's Commandos Origin. Yeah. Sounds like a, yeah, exactly. Hey Camila, jó reggelt, szia. Anyway, let's wait for the news. That's all we can do for now. And of course, waiting for some movement here. We have a new low on gold and could be a potential push even lower according to this. But we'll see. Bert, good morning. Hello there. How's it going? All we can do is just wait for the news now. And I'm quite curious how's it going to be with this current chart setup. RSI is still bullish. It can still go higher easily. Let's wait. Could be repricing this gap and then goes down, or completely inverts it and then goes up like crazy to that fair value gap higher. You never know. A question regarding Apex discount conditions in term. The PA fee should still apply even if we pass after the deadline. Not really, unfortunately. That's the problem with Apex. So the discount activation fee is only good until the promo is on. So when the promo ends, it goes back to the normal fee. That's the problem. I mean, yes, you have a 1-day pass, which means if you full port the eval, then you can still activate it on the next day if the promo ended the day before, but that's it. After that, it goes back to the normal price.
Connection lost.
Oh no, connection lost. Hadley, hello there. What's up? How's it going? All right, quite a move here. Could be repricing this area still. They extended it until 11th. Yeah. I like it. No problem with it. I think Ninja is good. No problem. So far so good. I mean, I used it in 23. Apex, yeah. Apex extended it, yeah. I'm out of tea. A lot of pips on deck is long. Okay. Well, actually, there's a wick here, so you can definitely go higher. Thank you so much, Levy. Yeah, it helps the channel. Smash the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Just kind of waiting for the next possible shot here. Where to go, how to do it. So far, no particular trade setup. I mean, gold looks like it might want to go lower, but I don't know. 'Kay, we have a bit of a push here. 788. Could this one be pushing? What's the high of this? 788.25. Five years now, love it. Nice. Yeah, Ninja, well, it's an OG platform, as we all know it, right? So we only have 2 days to make it. Yeah, exactly. Technically, yes, 2 trading days. That's the unfortunate thing about it. Like, yes, Apex knows. Apex is well aware that they have those users or customers who like to full port or go all in, and that's why they're not keeping the promo. I mean, they did it once last year, that they extended the activation fee promo, but who knows. Coach Fred, hello. Hey, how's it going, Coach Fred? This kind of feels like it might want to go higher. I'm not sure. Okay, it's nothing here. A disciplined futures trader. Welcome, Alicia. Hello. Doing great, thank you. Had a small loss again. I mean, in the London session, nothing special happened, just a short, which was a TP at 750. Now I closed a long position manually down here, somewhere here. Went down there. I thought it's going to go for that zone. It didn't, and now it's just going higher. I'm kind of feeling a bit of a, like, I'm pissed off a little bit. I should have held the trade. But anyway, I would have closed it before the news at 2:15, so I would have closed it anyways. But yeah, we have liquidity up there. There is liquidity. Roth, good morning. No stop loss. I closed it manually. I closed it manually somewhere around 769, 65 or 4, because I thought we're going down to that zone, which we did not. And now I'm kind of biting my finger down, because why I closed? I should have been in profit again now. So just another example to not mess around with your trade setup. But because we're having news, I think everybody's focusing on that. And by the way, let's check that news. So ADP non-farm payroll exchange estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry and government. Okay. Change in the number of employed people during the previous month. So they're expecting more employed people here. They're expecting 49,000 more employed people. Previously, there was a drop, so they're definitely expecting some positive news here. Now, what can that mean? What does that mean? More employed people. How can that affect us? Yeah, it's late dot. Yeah, old data. I mean, they are waiting a positive number. Let's see what it's going to be. More employed people, market sell. Sort of like that. Maybe. Well, this one, the non-farm payroll, So this one excludes farming and government. No. And this has government, but it also excludes farming. Okay, what the hell is the difference then? Anyone knows? Let me know. Ha, look at him smiling. Why Trump wants Greenland and what makes it so important for national security? Oh, we have to postpone it for tomorrow, Roth. But we'll do that. We're gonna have giveaway. We have core accounts and Apex accounts to give away. Rare metals. The rare metal. Do you think AI bubble imminent or AI bubble cancelled? You know, Steam, I think AI bubble has been partially cancelled. I think everybody was kind of waiting for a huge drop, but now it seems like that the tensions got lower. Everybody's just, you know, doing their job. Even Microsoft, Apple, and Meta, and everybody is just minding their own business. So far, Nvidia is not commenting anything on those AI investments. So far, it's been cancelled, I think. Everything's moving so fast. Yeah, Roth, core accounts are great, and it's going to be the giveaway. Someone give me a TPT account. Yeah, we love the TPT accounts. We definitely love those. So let me check some news thing here. Oh, Jesus. That's my phone. Don't worry. Let me check. Let me check. Down, 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 down. Okay. Yeah, TPT. Guys to accept debit cards. I mean, they are accepting debit cards, no? Yeah, we like TPT. We had someone here, Rizzy, yeah. He has some trouble with TPT, and that's kind of concerning. I don't know why they disabled his account, but yeah, I'm despite the fact, I mean, I had a great year with Take Profit Twitter. I think that's why they're technically one of my favorites. So, is there a lag? Hopefully not. We probably go down. Could be, Papacito. Yeah, that's you. Yeah, I'm really hoping that, Rizzy, because yeah, because all I have from them is, I mean, they came through so many occasions when there was some technical issue and stuff. I mean they should be coming through. Oh my gosh, it's snowing again. Yeah, 900 is pretty close, and we have news real soon in 15 minutes. That's going to be interesting. Gold actually has a possible short signal here. So that's interesting. TPT 4450. Take break profit. Not TPT, TP 4450.4. Can it go? It can easily. Anyway, it's just interesting to see that this actually gave a short signal here. There's a short signal on this one. On the 5-minute on gold. My pros and open Pro Plus with 0 balance. I'm laughing about it now, but it sucks. Oh, so you got the Pro Plus account. Oh, I thought that they completely disabled your accounts and you're not able to trade. But they definitely forfeited your profits there. So you still have the Pro Plus account. Okay. But that's a little bit better than having no account. I mean, that's still not the best situation. I know what you mean, but at least you got that Pro Plus. Yeah, it seems like NQ might wanna move lower here. What was that level here? The low was 52.25. Yeah. So that's a very close level of liquidity down there. We'll see. Has zero balance. How much? No, I think you have a drawdowns, Rizzy. I'm not sure, but I think you should be having some drawdown on that account that you can have, and it's gonna lock in as well. But I'm not sure. You gotta ask for, if you have a Pro Plus account, then you should be having access to exclusive support, or at least they should be answering your questions quicker. But yeah, I get it. What is going on here? Almost went down. Gold is going back up. Son of Wall Street, hello. Yeah, close enough. 18 points. We have news in 12 minutes. Gonna be interesting to see of what's gonna happen. NQ failed to go lower to pick up liquidity, so that can mean something. No, I didn't take a short. I'm just kind of trying to see what's up. We're having big news in about 11 minutes, 10 minutes. So I took a long position earlier, which I closed manually. So that's not a good deal. That's not a good thing. And now I'm kind of wondering, what did I miss? I'm actually following a signal that the indicator gave earlier, but that's it. You reached out. They said when they responded, I was going to take a trip. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that sucks, man. That sucks. Sorry for that. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they can get you those profits if you forfeit the account. I don't know. I'm not sure about their policies in this case. All right, there's still time until the news. Still not much is moving. This one actually went down, so the signal was correct on this. Now the question is, what's it gonna be with NQ? I'm gonna be uploading a video about the indicator, about every detail and how you can download it. Currently it only works on MetaTrader 5, so there's no TradingView version, no NinjaTrader version, nothing. But I will try to get something for you guys as close as possible. The coder said it takes time because It's basically nothing special, by the way. It's an anchor VWAP, an RSI, and moving averages combined together. That's it. And zigzag. These are free indicators. It's just being modified. That's it. But it works very well. Mr. Biggest Nobody, sorry. Hello there. Welcome to the channel. Well, the guy is already working on it, and I don't have the source code. And because obviously he also told me you cannot do it with ChatGPT or Grok because it's just it needs a human touch, and I don't understand what that means. But the thing is, he told me he needs some time to convert it to the trading view. That's it. 7 minutes to go until news. Gold is dropping. Look at gold. It's dropping. What a drop. Look at that. Indicator was correct again. The signal came at the close of this candle. Entry was here. Whoa, we have Chad subscribing to the channel. Hello there, Chad. Welcome. Yeah, he told me that you can code with ChatGPT, but actually there are going to be so many errors that it's going to take you hours to go over the mistakes and the errors what ChatGPT makes. That's what he told me. His job security. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't want AI to take his job, something like that. Maybe. I mean, I can't blame him, of course. We have a new 5-minute candle here. Nothing's happening so far. Couple of more minutes. Interesting thing that we have liquidity on this chart at, I mean, where's liquidity? There's the fair value gap at 52.25. Just an interesting take. The code needs a human time. Human touch, yeah. Exactly. Four more minutes. I'm wondering if the number is going to be, I mean, it can happen both ways, I think. I guess. Why do I have a connection issue again? Okay. No connection issue. I don't know. Sometimes these rhythmic connections are, you know, acting up a little bit weird. Three more minutes. Let's see. Is it going to pick up liquidity or not? 2 minutes actually. Getting closer. Tell me the formula I can code one. Okay. That's not a bad idea, actually. We can talk about that. Composer on rulers that. Oh, I see, Martin. Hey, Mr. Biggest Nobody. Van Discord. Kirakom az invite linket. Mindjárt egy pillanat. Megvárjuk a híreket. Mr. Biggest Nobody's asking for Discord server. Yeah, I'm gonna put out the invite link again. I'm just curious about the number. To maybe take a scalp on some Apex accounts, I don't know. Yeah, gold is melting down, so kind of interesting. But anyway. Is anything? Well, I don't know. We have liquidity on both ways, so we'll see. Hey, K-Bell, what's up? Good to see you. How's it going? Yeah, let's just wait for the news. Should be out real soon. 10 seconds or so. But we'll see. So here we go. News is out. Not much is happening so far. Kind of pushing higher. Yeah, not really showing any signs of bigger movement right now. Yeah, so far nothing is moving. Okay, bit of a push here. Bit of a push. Maybe nothing. We'll see. If we can go up to that 5/15 minute CB, that would be also good. Maybe reconsider some moves here. Okay, this is NQ. Kind of wondering, I have a connection issue here with Rhythmic. I have to disconnect and reconnect. But still no data. Interesting. Still no data. Yeah, it could be 782. Oh, they're dropped. Silver also. Okay. NQ just holding the area, not really doing anything right now. Gold is down there. Yeah. Nothing is moving. NQ holding this area. We have the comics open in less than 2 minutes. So yeah, it's okay. It started to move higher. How far is this one? 800. That's 30 points only. Can it push higher, I wonder? Not sure. I'm not sure. Okay. NQ is technically unplugged again. How far was this? It was a few points of push. Nothing more. Expectation for silver, I have no idea. I don't even know how much is silver right now. On futures it says 77. 20, I don't know. I don't know. I guess if it goes the same way as it did earlier, it can double maybe. I have no idea. I don't even know anything fundamentally about silver. No information at all about the fundamentals of silver. So, but I guess, you know, if we just look at the global economy and everything, like everybody just wants to go to like safer investments, and it did better than crypto, obviously it can go higher. But who knows? It's just hard to say anything. NQ is not really moving. Not the open as, I mean, we wasn't expecting this kind of move. I mean, yeah, definitely bullish on both. I mean, I'm bullish on gold. I was always bullish on gold. And so I guess silver is also going to be bullish this year pretty much. But for how much? I just can't say a number because I don't know. I mean, I don't even have an estimate. Okay. Still kind of waiting here. Not moving. Yeah, this was a pointless news event. I don't know what's the goal of this. Yeah, it had one job. Only one job, and it didn't do the job. Old data, yeah. Yeah, could be. Yeah, you're right. That was before shutdown. Yeah. So the market pretty much priced in for the data. Yeah. You're right, Ahmed. Yes. True. So. Well, everybody, I hate to say this, but I'm not going to take a trade here. So I'm just going to call it here, and that's it, because what to do, right? We observed the whole thing. Nothing happened, and let's just wait for the market open, right? That's what I'm going to say. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly, and tomorrow London and New York again. And of course, if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. It's good for Apex, Bulenox, and everything like MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, Lucid Trading as well, TRADEIFY, you name it. So thank you for the support. It does help. I appreciate it very, very much. And yeah, there's nothing we can do. See you guys in the New York Open. At MyFundedTV, or tomorrow London, and same time here. All right, God bless you all, and cheers.